Hera AI review. Is this AI motion designer worth it? So what is Hera AI? Hera AI is an AI-powered tool that helps you animate your graphics, text, and visual assets without needing After Effects or design experience. You simply upload your design or choose from templates, and Hera generates high-quality motion sequences using AI. It's designed for marketers, designers, and content creators who want fast professional animators. Here's what Hera AI offers. One-click animations for text, shapes, and objects, a growing library of templates and styles, custom export settings for social media, ads, and web, and built-in brand asset support to keep things on brand. It's all browser-based, no software install needed. So what's good about Hera? It's fast, beginner-friendly, and produces impressive results for short-form content. Great for teams who don't want to hire a motion designer for every social post. But there are some trade-offs. Animation control is still limited, so pro designers might find it too simple. And it's subscription-based, starting at around $20 a month. If you need fast motion graphics and don't want to touch After Effects, Hera AI is a fantastic time saver. It's not for high-end production, but for social content and marketing, it's definitely worth a try. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest AI tool reviews. And see you in the next video.